Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to TikTok privacy settings. First of all you need to open your TikTok app in your mobile device, and after that you need to select your profile icon, and in the top right corner there's 3-line icon. Select that again, and after that on the top right corner again there's the setting icon. Select that, and in the account on the top tap on the privacy option, and after that you'll be getting into this interface. What you have to do is scroll a bit down and you'll be getting this download option. Tap on that and turn it off. Just toggle the button, and you need to tap on this stitch again and just tap on that and make it on everyone, so everyone can stitch your videos, and do the same with your duet. Make it for everyone, and the story and the mentions as well. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.